About to make the party hot. Make the party hot. About to make the party hot. Make the party hot. About to make the party hot. Make the party hot.
The mind is a labyrinth, ladies and gentlemen, a puzzle. And while the paths of the brain are plainly visible, its ways deceptively apparent, its destinations are unknown. If we are honest, it is the lure of the labyrinth that draws us to our chosen field to unlock those secrets.
Crushing, bucking up, destruction, drop like flies, my foes ain't nothing. Peer pressure gang, focus to control their brain. Look into my eyes and you will see there is something deep inside. The darkness can't hide, approaching me deadly, the madness subsides. You enter my zone and it turns homicide. You fuck with me, bitch, now your ass on the line. Hit the shop, pull the stain on the cop, fuck the laws, all the flaws, all because of the twat. Too big, never stop, turn the word into a plot. Niggas motherfucker burn as I sit back and watch. Deep below, I'm slowly cruising, causing confusion, your thoughts of illusion. Into my word and you'll see what's been proven. The end is now coming, you cannot remove it. Kill, hey, fuck with your fate. My essence of evil is shown in your face. The words that will appear on my head, they are placed. The ground, the flames I am here to erase. From this up, cause I just crush on. Living like scour, I devour any buster. Stressing my actions, get left in the dust when the brain of my terror starts to do something.